This segment is brought to you in part by Shore TMS, a beacon of hope for depression.
Good morning, everyone. Well, this pandemic has been tough on so many people's mental health, and it's estimated that a lot of us will suffer some form of depression. The National Institute of Mental Health estimates 1.7 million Americans are affected by a major depressive disorder. And while many people have found certain ways to treat depression, there is one doctor in New Jersey who's doing something incredibly unique. Take a look.
Dominique Zadok's life changed forever after a car accident 6 years ago. Plagued by headaches and concentration issues, she was soon in a depressive state.
I had a total disconnect to people, family members, friends. I would stay in bed days at a time.
Dominique tried different medications, biofeedback, and cognitive therapy. The depression was persistent.
I was very anxious. I had problems sleeping. I was always sad.
But there was a light in her future. She was introduced to Dr. David Wolf, a New Jersey psychiatrist who treats patients with TMS.
Dr. Wolf, what does TMS stand for?
TMS stands for transcranial magnetic stimulation. It's a new treatment for depression. TMS stimulates the nerve tracts in your brain having to do with mood. They get them to function properly so that they produce the right amount of serotonin and dopamine.
Dopamine and serotonin levels are vital for regulating your mood.
Can you explain how it works and what kind of success you've seen?
TMS is a series of magnetic pulses that are focused over a certain part of the brain. Over the course of 6 weeks, it serves to stimulate the nerve tracts in the brain having to do with mood. Usually, about 2 to 3 weeks in, most patients begin to feel some improvement. And from that point on, things continue to get better. They continue to improve, the depressive symptoms diminish, and they begin to get their life back.
And that's something Dominique is already experiencing.
So you've been doing TMS treatment 2 times so far. How has it changed your life?
I have a life now.
Dr. Wolf, who founded Shore TMS, has been offering this FDA-approved treatment for the past 2.5 years and says 80% of his patients show improvement with TMS.
What can the patient expect when they come in for treatment?
The TMS session lasts about 40 minutes. You'll be seated in the TMS treatment chair. There'll be a magnetic coil right above the treatment spot. The coil will not touch your head at any point in time. This is a totally non-invasive procedure. You'll be awake, you'll be alert. There are no IVs, there's no sedation. We have a television in there if you'd like to watch TV. You can also listen to the radio if you want to read a book.
Dr. Wolf, who has been treating patients for decades, says he's now seeing an uptick in calls due to this pandemic.
Can you tell me what some of the signs of depression are?
The telltale signs and symptoms of depression are feeling sad most hours of most days, feeling hopeless, feeling helpless, feeling worthless, having little energy, poor concentration, and not enjoying life the way that you used to enjoy life.
At what point do you say you need treatment?
If you have most of these signs and they've been lasting for more than a few weeks, then you should seek help.
Dr. Wolf offers free consultations at his office, and TMS is covered by Medicare and most insurances.
What is your goal with this treatment?
The goal of treatment is to help depressed patients who have not responded to multiple antidepressants begin to feel better and to get rid of the depressive symptoms. And it's so rewarding to see these people improve. Some have been depressed for years, and they come back and they start to enjoy life again. Not only are the patients themselves appreciative, but so are their families, as their families get to see a loved one come back from depression and is smiling and enjoying life again.
Something Dominique can attest to.
How have Dr. Wolf and his team specifically changed your life?
That's an easy one. I feel like I have a future now, whereas if before that wasn't there. My family is so happy to have me back. It was a tough road, but I really feel like I have a bright future ahead of me now.
If you'd like more information on TMS treatment, head to shoretms.com or call the number on the screen, 732-285-1190.